Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Hallwood. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be making aloe vera carrot body wash. Oh yes, to make this aloe vera carrot body wash, I will be using a couple of natural ingredients that are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and other anti-aging properties. The first ingredient I will be using is aloe vera, then I will be using lemon, and also I will be using carrots, and also I will be using some soap to make this body wash. Oh yes, so this natural aloe vera carrot body wash is good for the skin. So now I will be blending the lemon, the first ingredient, with water. And now I will blend this to get the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Yes, so the next thing is to blend the aloe vera, which is rich in anti-aging properties. And I will be blending this with water. So now I'm blending this aloe vera, and this will give me the aloe vera juice, which I'll be using. And the next ingredient to blend is carrot. And this carrot has some carotenoid in it that can help us to skin tone our skin. And now I will be using double boiler. I just pour the carrot into the double boiler and I will stir for a few minutes. Then I will be using this soap, which has some vitamin C in it, to achieve the main goal. And now I'm going to stir this for a couple of minutes, and then I will be adding the lemon juice with the lemon zest. Oh yes, so I'm going to mix this for a few minutes, then I'll be adding honey. Honey has some natural ingredient that can help us to naturally skin tone our skin. Then I will be adding the aloe vera juice. Then I will mix this for a couple of minutes, and this aloe vera body wash will be ready. So now I'll be sieving out the aloe vera carrots body wash, and I will let this sit for few hours. And now this aloe vera carrot body wash, it's done. So now I'm going to pour it into the container, and this is ready. Let me know what you think about this video. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl. I love you. Bye for